Hi guys, I'm back for another video and I'm here to show you guys the part 2 of my haul. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got during my travel. Okay, so let's start in skincare or makeup. I got this, I think I got it in Cosmed. It's in the shade to open it. I cannot open it. I got a lot of like concealers because I love concealers, especially when they have like dark spots or like acne. I always cover it with concealer. So I'm excited to try this. This is like NARS packaging, similar. Yeah. So I got another one, Reese Camouflage. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this concealer. It's very full coverage. I got mascara, Majorica. I believe it's waterproof. It's a cute packaging. Next one, it's Regron, and I got it. I asked someone to buy me some, so I got this. It's like I think it's a bundle, but I take it off the box so it can fit in my luggage. So it's like that. I got 3. One is the bigger one. I'm using it right now, so I got that. Jerome Screen Protection Mask, PDRN. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this brand. In Taiwan, I think in Poya. I think I got this in Poya. Is this one right here. It's for like your face if you want to wash your face with this. It's this right here. It's Regron. It's Regron, and it's pore tightening toner pads. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. Next one, I got this in Poya, and it's very cheap, guys. It's very cheap over there. If you're gonna wanna get this this brand, just get it there. Very cheap. It's actually a facial wash. I got something in the Philippines. I got it as you guys can see. It's SM. I got it there. I remember. I think this is the last makeup that I got there. Yes, I already tried the gold color, and it's very full coverage. It's not my shade, so I like it, but it's not my shade. So I'm excited to try this. This is in the shade Vanilla and also Petal. This is their new line in cushion. I believe it's for dry skin, so it gets your face like dewy. And this one is like matte velvet cushion. Next is this one right here. It's Sunny's. It's actually blush on, which is super duper cute, isn't it? It's so cute, guys. It's in the shade Keen. And then ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Yung smell niya, malinis. Walang smell. And scented siya, guys. So I got this in Taiwan. I got it in Poya. And then what I like about this is ito. Shiba ba yung pangalan niya? Shiba. Yung nasa likod ng socks. Ang cute, diba? And then I got another one, which is this. Si Snoopy. It's a socks. You know, I like cute socks. There's this one right here. I got it in the Philippines in Bench Body. I actually have like four pasties like this. It's a lot actually. And then it's not like adhesive, which I love. I thought it's only one. And then, gustuhan ko siya kasi may travel na siya. Bag. Next, I got this in Hong Kong. I forgot what's the name of the store, but it's like skincare, makeup, women's cosmetics, something like that. And I actually got this in I got it in Hong Kong, and it's very cheap. I tried this before, and it's very expensive here in the US. That's why I got two. And it's for digestive, for diet, for diet talaga. So I got one. I bought one, pero nag-stop ako for few days when I went travel. Nag-stop ako kasi naubos na rin. So buti na lang meron silang ganito sa Hong Kong. And then I think it's $34 dito. It's like more than that. And then, napabili talaga ako nito. Siguro mga $15 lang to. Yeah. And that's that. Next is this one right here. I got it in Taiwan when we were walking around in the area near in our hotel. And I got this. I got two headbands, which I love. It's red. It's for winter or beige or tan color. I got it in Sunny's. I got I got two eyeglasses, and then I got one sunglasses there. But I've been using that, and I like it so far. I got it in perfume dessert. It's getting popular nowadays in the Philippines. That's why I got the shades na talagang sobrang trending. Ito yung ginagamit ni Zainab, or ito yung parang recommended ni Zainab na perfume. And I tried it, and so far I like it, but not doesn't give me a wow factor. Pero so far naman maganda siya pang day-to-day basis. I got 3. So first, ito yung pinaka number 1 bestseller, not bestseller, but number 1 recommended ni Zainab. It's Cotton Candy Unicorn. Ganyan lang siya. And yung amoy niya para siyang, actually familiar yung scent niya, parang sweet pea siya ng dati. And I think ito yung ka-smell ng dati kong perfume, yung pinakauna kong perfume sa Victoria's Secret, or Pink, I believe. And it's very familiar scent talaga. Sakura. And then ito syempre sakura nga, floral scent siya. May Asian pear, Fuji apple, umi plum, yung parang mix niya. Share ko lang ng konti. Mahilig talaga ako sa perfume. And one thing that na-miss ko talaga, kasi ang dami ko nung nabiling perfume sa travel na to. So parang it's too heavy na kapag lalagay pa sa So I went to SM Supermall, somewhere in Manila. I had a chance to try yung scent ni Andrea Brillantes, which is yung Lucky Beauty. And dun yung perfume niya. Guys, it's the best. It's the best perfume. Talagang inamoy ko, unique yung scent nila. I love it. I really love it. That's why if I have a chance to come back, I'm gonna come back just to get that perfume till next time. But anyways, let's go continue. So this is matcha. I'm excited to talagang spray it somewhere, maybe not here, or maybe in the air. But it's matcha, when you smell matcha, it's giving relaxing moment. Amoyin ko lang, okay. Kasi na-spray ko to once, pero naamoy ko, I can smell the matcha talaga. Sobrang linis niyang amoy. So far, Ito yung gusto ko compared to the other two. Pero gusto ko rin naman sila, kaya nga binili ko siya, di ba? But anyways, let's continue. Kung usapang scent talaga tayo, marami talaga ako nabili, guys. Kasi I love perfume talaga. Not too much than, skincare is like top 1. Top 1 talaga yon, skincare. Pero, napabili talaga ako ng scent. ng mga pabango sa Philippines kasi I love the scent talaga ng Philippine scent. Kesa sa mga mamahalin, too expensive sa akin. Kaya bumili talaga ako sa Philippines. So, I got this in Watson's. It's Lux fragrance. Actually, si Nadine Lustre yung talagang nag-ano nito. Sponsor siya. Ganun. Siya yung model, ganyan. Pero, kahit na si Nadine Lustre, yung model nila, mabango pa rin naman talaga siya. Pinaka top 1 siya, Serenity. Yung smell niya is very good. Galing pa rin bench. Ito yung talagang OG na pabango ko. Which is ito. This is the best, guys. Mabango siya. I'm not sure. I think mabilis lang siya maubos. It's Ulala. Ulala, guys. This. I think this is new sa akin. And I tried it. I like it. Yeah. And I think it's only $1. I think it's only $1 here. So, why not, right? This here. It's kay Daniel Padilla yung scent na to. I got it for sa someone. Mabango din siya talaga. Sobrang bango. This is very good. Very good, guys. So, kung papipiliin ako, not the bench, okay? Not the bench. Kung papipiliin ako kung ano yung mga perfume talaga, top 1 talaga yung kay Andrea Berrantes, which is, hindi ako nabigyan ng chance na bumili. Yeah, that's my top 1. But, so far, yung mga nandito lang. Ito talaga, yung Lux fragrance, top 1. Actually, ito natin compares talaga eh. Ito guys, natin compares. Hindi ko siya mararate kasi sobrang highly recommended. I love the scent. Lux fragrance talaga yung the best. Yung perfume dessert. Ewan ko na hype lang ba ako or what. Pero, it's good naman. There's no issue on that. Kaya nga bumili ako. Pero that's the first one na bumili ako ng pabango sa Philippines. Which is that, I was thinking to buy Aficionado and Prescripto. But then, I don't know why. Hindi ako nabigyan ng chance na bumili talaga. Even though I tried the scent, it's nice. I got it in Watson's. Hey me, I'm gaining weight. Why not try this, right? It's Lux Slim. I got it in the Cafe Macchiato decaf, and then Cafe Macchiato, yung normal lang. 10 pieces. And I got this Hello Bloom Glow Watermelon. It's like a glutathione. L-glutathione. Rejuvenate skin talaga. So, I think ito yung bagong talaga ini-endorse ni Kiray. Which is, congratulations, Kiray. Kasal ka na. Pero yeah. I wanna try the coffee. Yung coffee nito, yung brand niya. Pero hindi ako nakakita sa Watson's. Next is, bumili din talaga ako ng body scrub, soap, talagang shampoo, conditioner, something like that. I got this, guys. This is RD Care Coconut Duta Sugar Salt. Talagang very smelly. Smell good ata to. Pero I never heard about this brand. Pero it looks good. It looks promising, And then I got this, yung tomato glass skin ni Catherine Bernardo. I have another one. It's milky avocado. So this is marine collagen. Hello Bloom. Yeah. But, I got sabon. I have skin whitening soap, kojic acid, and retinol. Whitens in 5 days. Weh. But anyways, there's 3 soap inside nito. I love the smell. That's the reason why I got it. Not because it's whitening talaga. But this one, I got this one too. It's Soul White Korea. Usually kasi yung mga sabon nila is for like, it's either like hyaluronic, like hydrating, or like pampaputi talaga sa Philippines. Pero minsan kasi may mga dark spots ako dito, kaya excited, gusto ko din i-try talaga. Talagang mawala yung dark spot na yun. So next one, I got Lux Organic Feminine Wash. Why not, right? Why not? Got this one too. It's GT Brightening Firming Moisturizer. I think for face though. It's Happy Skin Lip Mallow. Excited to try this, which is in the shade. It's in the shade Iced Coffee and Nostalgia. I like the shade. I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch it, but why not? Right? Let's watch it. So that's that. They look very very similar, but they're not. I like the iced coffee. Pero gusto ko munang i-try ito kung maganda siya. I got Vitress, the one and only Vitress. I've been using Vitress when I was a young girl, and I used the oil. I got Myra E lotion, cream silk conditioner. But another one, which is a scrub. It's the same thing as the other one, but this one is Himalayan milk sugar salt. Next one, I got this. I think this one is like I got this in Taiwan. Like our friend asked this to buy it for him, and which I got it. I found it. I'm trying to look for this one talaga specific kasi maganda daw talaga siya. Para siya inhaler. Talagang mawawala yung stress or like sakit ng ulo daw. So I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna give this away. I think maybe 2. I'm gonna give it away to someone else, and then I have one for myself. My friend recommended this to me. Sa Kilikili, it's for like underarm whitening serum siya, so I'm pretty sure it's not very like harsh sa Kilikili kasi nga serum siya, so I'm pretty sure it's like that. Pero yan, na-recommend niya to together with this brand, Sunflower Premium Beauty Oil. So it lightens talaga the underarm din. No harmful chemicals yun. So I'm not sure. I think I bought 5 of this, and then I just saw 3. Yeah, this one I got it in Fairy God Barbie. I went there and do something in my something, for my skin. Yeah, I got this for free, and it's Glutanex Dr. Gangnam. I think it's a powder, and then you're just gonna put it in the drink. So it's like that. Ganyan siya. Kashay siya. It's lip tint. Ganyan siya, guys. I got that for my girls. So it's this one. So may different kinds of shades siya. Ganyan. So I believe there's like 3 or 4. I think 3. Oh yeah. Hindi ko na binili yung isa kasi light pink siya ata. So I got 3 shade ng ano. Yeah. Tinry ko to. Sinwatch ko to sa Watsons. Tapos the next day, 3rd day, nandito pa rin sa kamay ko. So like, wow, I should buy it. Hindi ko pa siya binibili that time kasi mura lang siya. Pero hindi ko pa binibili that time. Kasi parang, why not? Swatch lang, diba? Actually, this one, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Pero, same brand din. Mukhang maganda naman. Yung color niya, it's in the shade Summer Peach. So, tinry ko lang yung matte velvet cream pala siya. Velvet cream na lipstick nila. I think I got this in net. I have another one. It's upstairs. Oh my gosh. It's like a pink ribbon. There's like a lot of cute earrings. So over there, but this one is like 79 Taiwanese dollars. I don't know how much is that, but I know it's cheap. But next one, I got this in, oh, now alam ko na ako ng brand, anong store yung kanina sinasabi kong binili ko sa Hong Kong, which is yung Sasa. Sasa siya, yung pangalan. I think it's candy. But it says sugar-free yogurt with collagen. Can you believe that? It's collagen. So it's that. Ganyan yung itsura. Kuha na ako. Why not, right? Try lang natin. Isa lang. Ang ganda ng packaging. Yo, this is good. Masarap siya, guys. Babalik ako sa Hong Kong dahil lang dyan. I'm kidding. So, masarap siya, guys. Masarap. So, I got this one too. Stabilo. You know, for, ewan ko kung uso pa rin sa inyo yung, you know, mag-highlight ng Bible o kaya ng book. Ako, GT brand for skincare. I already showed this to you guys. I'm just showing it. Like, I have the toner. Oh, I have the toning water essence. I got the cream. I got the GT bleaching cream. I think it's good for acne. Ito. And then, kung meron din akong toner din. Same. Oh, facial toner cleanser. It's weird. So I got that to try. But this one, nag-viral to like long time ago, like decade ago. Pero wahi pa rin siya sa Taiwan. So na-try ko pa rin. I got this in Hoya. Very cheap. Ano siya? For blackhead removal siya. I got lotion. Lotion, tapos pang refill niya. Vitamin C, you know. Sometimes I need vitamin C. Not sometimes. Most of the time I need vitamin C in my body. So I got that. Palmolive coconut shampoo and conditioner na siya. Ito yung shampoo ng mama ko. I love the smell. So I got it. And then I used to use this before when I was young. And then it brings back the memories talaga. I have the soap. Ang bango. Ang bango ng box. Sun soap, guys. Naka-tape kasi just to make sure na naka-seal. Seal talaga siya perfectly para hindi matapon. So I have that sun soap. It's for damage reconstruction for hair. And then I have another one. Actually, it's funny. I'm actually looking for a lotion, and I have this. Usually, Myra they have lotion. So, naghanap ako ng travel size. Tapos, nagulat ako. Facial wash pala to. So, hindi ako nagbabasa. So, binili ko na lang. Binili ko talaga to ng sobra. I have this 2 alcohol, guys. Ang bango nito, guys. Sobrang nakakalinis ng kamay. Sobrang bango pa. So, I have 2 kasi. 1 different smell ng casino. I have the original casino. Yeah, I have that. I think I feel like I have like 5 years supply of something, you know, of all of this. So I have another one, like I have travel size alcohol. I got that. Brings back the memories like my high school era. It's like yung lahat ng mga alcohol. So I love to spray alcohol like every single time. Just love intense repair nourishing oil. Hopefully it's not like very greasy sa hair sa bench. I have 2 bra. That's 369 pesos. I think that's affordable. I think maganda din siya talagang parang sports bra or pantulog talaga. I have black. I have another one which is like parang medyo strap siya. I don't like that. Or like siguro malaki lang yung nabili ko. Pero medyo naglulo siya dito. Pero I like this one. Boxer. I got like 2 boxer for myself. Pagtulog lang. IV collagen peptide powder food supplement. I don't know if you guys know about this. So I have this. Usually like I have like the original like when it's like a chips. When you fry it's gonna like pop big, and then this is the first time I saw like there's lobster chips and then crab chips, so I'm excited to try that. Usually I only tried yung shrimp na parang chips siya. Then I have muncher. I like this. I feel like this is like my vegetable talaga when I was young. No, I'm kidding. I love vegetable. Pa pala akong nude. Hindi ko lang nakita. May nude ako, may brown. Tsaka may black. The black ako. Guys, I have this. I got it in Taiwan. Let's go sa clothes naman. Which is, I'm so excited about to show you guys. It's like a jersey. I got it in Cross, Taiwan. In Ximending. And then look at this. Seattle 1997. That's my year. That's the year na pinanganak ako. 1997. And then it says Seattle. So, sino bang hindi bibili nito? Cute, right? It is in medium. So cute. Very comfortable. Very cutesy. Very like street style, you know. Same brand. I got it in Cross. This is a little bit like expensive, I believe, but it's like that. Naka-display to sa sa mannequin, and of course si ate mo nakaano talaga ako na parang budol tayo, no. Pero maganda naman siya, comfortable naman siya, so it's like that. Tapos yung nakalagay is CAMO. So very thick. This is the only Starbucks that I want in Taiwan. And I got Hojicha, which is so good, by the way. And then I got this. Ewan ko kung siguro souvenir lang. Pero it's for like, lagayan mo ng drink mo. Tapos yan. Ang cute, oh. Ganyan siya. Wala lang, ganyan lang. Tapos hindi siya matatapon kahit ganunin mo siya. Charot. And then tingnan mo, may nakalagay na Taiwan. I think this is the only one that I bought in Daiso, or I think I have more, maybe like candies. But this one I can put my Pop Mart, like my cutesy Pop Mart here, and then put it in the bag, or like, put it in here. So, pero marami din pala sa Asia, so I saw it in Philippines, but tinry ko lang, isa lang. Ito, maganda daw to for like, it's like a cooling powder, so pag mainit yung katawan mo, lagyan mo lang to. Very cooling, very relaxing. Yung amoy niya, ang bango, guys. Lavender. If you guys don't like lavender, they have like different scent na talagang highly recommended. French lavender in Korea. I asked someone to buy me this. Shout out Kyle. Thank you talaga. Salamat sa iyong effort talaga na bilhin to. Sorry kung medyo masikip to sa baggage mo, pero thank you pa rin. So I got this barrel, curling barrel. Maganda din talaga yung Voda na yung brand niya. Same brand. So this one is like for curling mermaid. Yeah, ganyan siya. Iba lang yung outlet niya. It's like that. Pero meron na akong nabili for that. And we have Clorox. Why not red one? I'm gonna show you the shoes that I have. It's this one right here. I got it in net. Kasi wala akong sandals. So, bumili talaga ako ng sandals dun. Yung mga ganito for church or like for occasion na hindi ganun kalamig. Tapos pwede kang mag-sandals talaga, which is this one. It's cute. This one, it's in the shade chart. This one is 359 Taiwanese dollars lang. And then gusto ko yung talagang style niya. Maganda siya. Another one, I got it in net as well. It's very cheap din siya. 229 Taiwanese dollars. Ganyan siya. Pumunta ako sa B plus AF, pero hindi ako nabigyan ng chance na pumili nga ng another shoes kasi nga medyo masikip na rin yung yung luggage ko. Pero next time, why not, right? Pero yeah, eto nga, nakabili ako ng ganito. Maganda din yung shoes nila, pero maganda din to. I believe it's very comfortable. May foam talaga siya. Red Run, another Red Run. I have Lactacid. Ito yung ginamit ko like sa talagang sa travel. I'm gonna already showing this sa vlog ko. I think wala palang laman. Ginagamit ko na siya pero nasa akin yung case. Very bulky. Galing net din siya. It's 399 Taiwanese dollars. And it's very comfortable. It's like that. Pwede din pala siya yung ganyang kaliit lang. Na parang next one is this right here. It's like a bear beanie. I got that. It's like that. Maganda din siya. Kasi pwede mo din siyang gawing bag. It's like that. Pwede mo siyang gawing bag. Ganyan siya. Basta for pain siya, back pain, ganyan. Kasi matanda na yung ate mo. Pastel siya. I got it in Taiwan. And then, yung pinaka first boba sa Taiwan, pumunta kami. I'm very happy that I went there. Very, talaga, aesthetic. Masarap din talaga yung nila, yung dinner nila. Or like, yung food nila. And then I like the original boba. We tried it. So I want to add this one. I got this in Costco just recently. I got it. I was thinking to get this in Olive Young, which is the four sheet mask. It's very cheap. To be honest, it's very cheap. But then this one is only $55. And I have like $55 and I have 24 sheets. I'm very happy about this, even though like after the travel I have a chance to buy this in Costco, guys. Got the price. Kung maalala ko man, ayoko na maalala. Pero yeah, it's like this. It's Milky Skin Toner. It's a tier. I heard good things about this. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope we can talk about more stuff other than shopping or like anything. I hope, guys, we can talk about something else. If you guys wanna share any thoughts, like if you guys wanna do anything else that you want me to do, just comment down below. Let me know. Basta matino naman, I will try to do it. I can do other things. Maybe like getting to know me. If you guys want to know me more, for more content, I'm just happy na talagang nakaka-upload ako ng video every single time. I don't know when, pero hindi ako nagiging consistent kasi sometimes like I don't know what to post and what to do next. So if you guys talaga, I really appreciate it if you guys send me something to do or ideas, something unique. That's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.